MiniChefs with Logan Rowan. Today we making cottas Ghost. Panna Cotta Ghost. Yeah! Vamos! You need a cup of whole milk. You're right. I can do it. 1 pocket of gelatin. You need 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Sugar. Featured dough. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla brown. We got brown cream. Paper dessert recipe. Yeah, nasty. We make a spooky panna cotta go! First thing, put 1 cup of whole milk in the pan. After goes the top, 1 pocket of flavored gelatin. Okay, Giggy, done off. We're gonna read that in a few minutes. And after the gelatin thaws. Stop. Easy taste it. I know I do. Let me taste. Okay. Now we go put a medium-low heat. And turn it until the thing does completely. And you make your a steamy. Make sure you boil the milk. Add heavy whipped cream. What? Good thing. Add a glass of banana. Oh my god! Vanilla. Here's a cup. And keep stirring. Hey Rowan, what happened you stirred milk? I don't know, Gary. What? Turn into we let the milk cool for 5 minutes. Remember, sour cream to milk. It's gonna all good. Make it. Is it different? Okay. It does taste different. Why do you like me? It's your baby. It's your baby. Yep. Now gradually add the warm cream by working. Now you do it rest for 10 minutes. It has to get whipped. Any bubbles from lifting. Dragon Fire! Dragon Sword! Go! Go Power Ranger! Go Power Ranger! Go Power Ranger! And we can put the milk to the bowl. See that? Ghost Panna Cotta. The juice. Ghost shapes. They go shallow mold. Or print the mold. What the? No, that's it. Wow! I'm the best. Yeah, done! We'll put in the fridge for 4 to 6 hours. Do it. Okay, we end the video again. The Cotta. Hi. Look, it's sticky. Decorate Ghost Panna Cotta with chocolate. This one. Yeah, Look at this, guys. Let me eat it. Need to try it? Very good. Eat it after that, okay? We can smoke this. Mamma mia, buonissimo. Mamma mia, buonissimo. Data. But eating. I loved it. And buy it. So really. Where is the plate? Got the pit. Toilet. MiniChefs power. Mission completed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, more RB. See you next one. Bye. Or Ghost Panna Cotta goes with the go where boom tonight. See you guys. For what RB and see you next one. Bye. Happy Halloween. In the water, two yellow between the 1, 2, 3. 3 rabbits join the water. 2 rabbits join the water.